How to make loading bars animation in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background node, connect it to the Media out, and set its color to white. Add a rectangle mask and connect it to the background. Set width to 0.02, height to 0.2, and corner radius to 1. Drag the bar a little to the left side. Select the background node, press Shift plus space, search for duplicate, and add it. Set copies to 5 and center X to around 0.53. Now move the playhead to the start, select the rectangle node, and click on diamond button next to height to add a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 30 and decrease height to around 0.1 to add the second keyframe. Now we have this animation, but it's not smooth. To smoothen it, open up Spline panel and check the rectangle checkbox. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to add curves to the keyframes. Click on this button to set the animation ping-pong so it repeats for the entire length of the composition. To add some delay between bars, select Duplicate Node and increase Time Offset to around 4. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline.